Hello there guys, and welcome to your Linux tutorial. And in this Linux tutorial, I just want to tell you that you have the option of customizing your prompt, okay? And to me, this is too fancy, this is something I've never really done. But basically, what is your prompt? Your prompt is this, okay? The thing that I just highlighted, this is your prompt, and basically, this is the thing you can customize, okay? And if you're gonna do those things, you're actually going to modify. I think that the variable to modify the prompt is called PS1. And basically, if I echo this, this is actually a description of what is actually located here, right? Because this is dynamically, some of these things are dynamically loaded, and that's why then I get this kind of prompt, okay? And I honestly never really used it, never really saw the need to change my prompt. But if you ever do feel the need to change your prompt, feel free to check out the resources in this video description, okay? Because in the description of this video I will put some resources about how to do that. And again, I never really did it. I think it's too fancy for me personally. Nothing to see here, like just fancy stuff. I'm not even sure why people would want to change it, but hey, maybe some people have a good reason to do so. And yeah, if you ever need to do so, check out the references in the description. And that is it for this tutorial. Talk soon.